Today we will solve a problem also from this chapter, residential building electrification. Okay, I take a problem. It is also university question, I think 2010. Okay, so the problem is draw a neat sketch for power supply arrangement from incoming cable with 4 wire, okay, WBACDC to a 4-story building. So what they say, power supply arrangement from incoming cable with 4 wire WBACDCL to a 4-story building. मतलब 4 फेज एक बिल्डिंग में इनकमिंग हो रहा है और वो चारों फ्लोर में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रहा है, 4 फ्लोर में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रहा है। और इसका अरेंजमेंट और स्केच, ओके, हाउ टू वी फ्लो द पावर इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इन 4 फ्लोर और हाउ टू वी अरेंज द पावर सप्लाई टू 4 फ्लोर। ओके, इसको प्रॉपर स्केच हम लोग ड्रॉ करेंगे। ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इनकमिंग 3 फेज 4 वायर सिस्टम आर कम्स टू आवर होम। ओके, सपोज दिस इज द GPIC and N, that's mean triple pole ironclad and neutral. That's mean here also 3 pole or 3 fuse and 1 neutral are present. So this is the fuse for 3 phase and 1 common neutral. It is always connected. Okay, RYB and neutral. Okay, this is the 3 phase power supply incoming in home. You can take a meter after the incoming the wire, okay, before. Okay, so I am use 3 phase energy meter. So this is the meter 3 phase and these 3 phase are incoming from nearest distribution pole. Okay, nearest distribution pole, from nearest distribution pole incoming 3 phase 4 wire are coming to 3 phase 4 wire meter, and this 3 phase 4 wire GPIC and neutral फ्यूज में कंट्रोल स्विच में आ रहा है। इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, इसको 4 फ्लोर में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे प्रॉपर तरीके से। ओके ओके, लेट अस, सो वी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द 3 फेज सप्लाई इनटू 4 अलग अलग फ्लोर में, ओके, और 4 स्टोरेज बिल्डिंग में। सो दिस इज द one junction, this is the one junction and this is the one junction for 3 floor. Okay, for 4 floor 3 phase. Suppose I take a supply, this one is here, okay, this one is here and this one is here. Okay, here also draw 4 floor. In every floor also have a double pole IC switch, or sorry, single pole and neutral. Okay, that's mean that's energy meter in use in our home. Okay, this energy meter. Suppose this is the ground floor. This is the first floor. Okay, this one is second floor. Okay, and this one is fourth floor. Just we take this one is fourth floor, and every floor also have a different, every floor have a also every main switch. Okay, this is the single pole and neutral main switch. Okay, this is the single pole and neutral main switch, this is the single pole main switch, and this is the single pole main switch. Okay, main switch, and you can take a power from this main switch to first floor, and this main switch to second floor, and this main switch to third floor. Okay, you can take a power from this main switch to the different floor. So this power is come from these three phase. Okay, suppose ground floor, this is the ground floor. Okay, ground floor power is incoming from this R phase. Okay, this R phase से ग्राउंड फ्लोर को पावर जा रहा है. ओके, एंड सेकेंड फ्लोर इज कनेक्टेड विथ दिस वाई फेज. ओके, दिस वाई फेज सेकेंड फ्लोर जा रहा है, और सॉरी फर्स्ट फ्लोर को, एंड सेकेंड फ्लोर इज कनेक्टेड दिस फेज. Second floor is connected and this one, and another floor also with the present, but phase also be 3. So you can take a 2 floor by a single phase. Okay, suppose this one, this B phase is given power supply to 2 floor, second floor and third floor. So this is the phase distribution, and also need a neutral for complete the circuit. Suppose this is the neutral common box or neutral junction box, and you can take a neutral for different floor. Okay, I also draw the neutral in blue color line. Okay, for this floor, this is the neutral, common neutral. And here also neutral connected. Okay, and this supply are given every floor. Okay, and we also take a common load point. Okay, common load point means suppose you run a motor or you run a 3 phase any load. Okay, 3 phase any load, so a common load is needed, so we take a point for a common load. Okay, common load, suppose we do not take direct from here, we also create a point, or we also wiring a point common, and if needed to play a 3 phase load, then we can given supply this load from here. Okay, so this is also the 3 phase and one neutral, and this is connected not from here, from here. Okay, this is one also the phase. Okay, and here. Okay, and a neutral is given from here. Okay, this is the 3 phase forward common load. Okay, common load. This is the total arrangement of how to we distribute the 3 phase forward supply to a 3 phase multi-storage building. Thank you.